Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be talking about modern living room tips. Modern living rooms are all about clean lines, simple shapes, and a minimalist aesthetic. If you're looking to update your living room, these tips will help you get the look you want. Choose the right furniture. The first step to creating a modern living room is choosing the right furniture. Look for pieces with clean lines and simple shapes. Avoid anything too ornate or cluttered. Use a neutral color palette. Neutral colors are the key to creating a modern look. Choose a light gray, white, or beige as your base color. Then, you can add pops of color with pillows, throws, and artwork. Add some texture. Texture is another important element of modern design. Add some interest to your space with pillows, throws, rugs, and other accessories with different textures. Don't forget the lighting. Lighting is often overlooked, but it's an important part of any room. Choose lighting that complements the style of your furniture and the overall look of your living room. Add some greenery. Greenery is a great way to add life and color to any space. Add a few plants to your living room to create a more inviting and relaxed atmosphere. Those are just a few tips to help you create a modern living room. With a little planning and effort, you can easily transform your space into a stylish and contemporary oasis. Thanks for watching.